Hi, I'm Areeba Masroor and I'm making this video because it's high time that each one of us should know about slaughter-free meat. Cellular agriculture sciences are evolving based on two techniques. The first one is fermentation, in which we use microorganisms derived proteins. The step 1 of the fermentation process is encoding. In this process, the encoding genetic material for the desired animal protein is integrated into an efficient host organism, which may be a strain of yeast, fungi, or bacteria. The step 2 is fermentation. This host is then cultivated in fermentation tanks where it produces the desired protein in large amounts. Step 3 is purification. The protein is subsequently separated from the host cells and purified. The last step in this method is analyzing the results. The resulting protein is the same protein as in the original animal-derived product and will exhibit substantially equivalent sensory and functional characteristics in foods in which it is incorporated. There is a very simple answer to the question, why is this technology better than the traditional slaughter methods? It is, rather than breeding and feeding animals, cellular agriculture uses large-scale fermentation to produce the main protein components of the respective animal products. This fermentation technology has also been used to safely and effectively produce hundreds of food enzymes for decades. Another application of fermentation is the production of proteins such as rennet. Nowadays, food enzymes are so ubiquitous that in some food processing methods, the recombinant proteins satisfy almost the entire market demand for these proteins. For example, 80% of the rennet used to make cheese is produced by fermentation. The second method of cellular agriculture is tissue engineering, in which we grow tissues in a laboratory. Also known as slaughter-free meat, cultured meat is the meat produced by in vitro cell culture of animal cells instead of from slaughtered animals. Here's some history of tissue engineering. In 1998, John F. Wayne of United States filed for and ultimately secured a patent for the production of tissue engineered meat for human consumption, wherein muscle and fat cells would be grown in an integrated fashion to create food products such as beef, poultry, and fish. NASA has been conducting experiments since 2001, originally producing cultured meat from turkey cells. The technology to produce cultured meat in space would allow long-term astronauts to grow meat without sacrificing travel storage. We definitely have to say something about the future of cultured meat. In 2013, Mark Post, a professor at Maastricht University, was the first to showcase a proof of concept for cultured meat by creating the first burger patty grown directly from cells. Mosa Meat, the company co-founded by Dr. Post, has indicated that they may bring cultured meat to the market by 2021. Because cultured meat is not yet commercially available, it has yet to be seen whether consumers will accept cultured meat as meat. People love meat, but they are increasingly uncomfortable with the animal welfare, environmental, and health issues of conventional meat production. Producing meat without animals could help consumers align their values with their behavior. But will they want to eat it?